Hey YouTube, Chris Lang here from LS Fab. On today's video I'm going to be installing our 1973 to 1980 Stone Shields for the Squarebody pickup trucks. There's going to be a few bolts to remove off of your chrome trim. First there's a 3/8 or a 10mm speed nut on the back side that you can access from here. And also there is a 1/2 inch bolt on the bottom here that you need to remove. When you take the Stone Shields out of the box, you'll notice that they are pre-curved. What I suggest you do though is always test fit it, just to make sure that it fits your box panel. Sometimes you have aftermarket panels, or they're all a little bit different. So I like to test fit them first to make sure that they're nice and tight along the body, so no dirt and debris getting behind them. And this one is fitting really nice. If your Stone Shield doesn't fit that nice, what you can do is you can either bend it over your knee just to make it fit that contour a little bit better, or you can just manually take it with your fingers and just give it a little bit of a bend just to make it fit. So now I'm ready to install my Stone Shield. I'll remove the protective coating from the outside. Close that. 15 seconds. Put it in place. Take your 5/16 body bolt that you took out, put it back into the factory location. Don't tighten it quite yet. Position this in place. Speed nut from the back side. That's sitting nice and tight. What I like to do is I like to give it a little bit of a push. The bottom hole is slotted so it will nice and tight against the box panel. And just tighten up your bottom bolt. Done. Let's give it a clean and we'll see what it looks like. Thanks for watching our video. These Stone Shields can be found on ls-fab.com. And make sure you like, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.